Hello everyone. Today we are showing aerial time label material testing process. The material is running smoothly with stable tension control system and precise web guide alignment. Here we can see the rotary die cutting process, which ensures high precision shaping of label patterns. Equipped with a matrix removal unit, ensuring clean waste discharge and stable production performance. The machine is also equipped with a slitting function, but it is not activated in this test. You can clearly see that, even at high-speed operation, the machine remains very stable and runs smoothly. Finally, the finished labels are neatly rewound through the rewinding system. You can clearly see the finished result. The labels are cleanly die cut, with very smooth edges, and the rewinding is flat and stable, ensuring consistent quality. Feel free to contact us. We are here to help you find the right label converting solution for your production needs.